Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young couple named Emma and James. They were deeply in love, and their bond was a beacon of hope for the entire village. Emma had a heart as pure as the crystal-clear river that flowed through their picturesque village, while James possessed a kind soul that radiated warmth to everyone he encountered. Their love was extraordinary, but like all relationships, they faced challenges along their journey. One day, a devastating storm struck their village, leaving it in ruins. The villagers were left disheartened and afraid, unsure of how to rebuild their lives. Emma and James, however, had an unwavering belief in the power of love and trust. With determination in their eyes, they gathered the villagers and inspired them to work together. They rallied their neighbors, encouraging them to pool their resources and rebuild their homes, one brick at a time. Emma and James tirelessly worked side by side with the villagers, their love fueling their spirits. As days turned into weeks, the village began to regain its former glory. The broken walls were mended, roofs were repaired, and a newfound sense of unity enveloped the community. The villagers marveled at the transformative power of love and trust, guided by the shining example set by Emma and James. But their true test of love and trust was yet to come. Deep in the heart of the village, a large, ancient tree stood tall. It was a symbol of resilience and wisdom, and its lush green branches provided shade and shelter for generations. However, the tree had grown weak and was on the verge of collapse. The villagers feared losing this emblem of their village's history, but they were unsure if it could be saved. Once again, Emma and James stepped forward, holding hands as they approached the tree. They closed their eyes, embracing its trunk, and whispered words of love and encouragement. Days turned into nights as the couple stayed by the tree's side, watering its roots and tending to its branches. They nurtured it with unwavering faith and trust, believing that love could work miracles. The villagers watched in awe, inspired by their devotion and the strength of their bond. As the sun rose on a new day, a gentle breeze rustled through the village. The tree, once on the brink of collapse, stood tall and proud, as vibrant as ever. Its branches reached towards the heavens, as if offering gratitude to the couple who had saved it. The village erupted in joyous celebration, and the bond between Emma and James became a legend, passed down through generations. Their story served as a reminder that love and trust, when shared sincerely, could overcome any obstacle and bring forth miracles. Years later, when Emma and James were old and gray, they would sit under the shade of the ancient tree, holding hands and reminiscing about their journey. Their love had not only transformed their lives, but had also inspired an entire village to believe in the power of love and trust. And so, their story lived on, reminding everyone that with love and trust as their guiding stars, they could weather any storm and build a brighter future together.